Hi, today we are going to upgrade our Hyperion Flamebringer. And we have also done another video, but this is upgrading it. So, if you think that this is actually a non-upgradation, actually it's not. Because I've also added more gimmicks. Like, it has this chip on and chip off on like tachotomy. And it also has, if it has too much lands too hard, then you can activate it slower mode like this. See, the chip also comes up.
That's cool.
Now I'm going to show you how to make it.
That's a lot of pieces there.
Yeah. Let's start off with making the chip. So then I take one red piece, 2x4 brick, and then I get one of these 2x4 but dark red on top of it, so it can be more darker. And then I add two of the same pieces like this, but on the bottom. So here's the chip. Now let's make the energy layer. And now, so I'm putting the blades, and then you get 1x4 bricks. So then you put them like together with one. I've actually make it like the red piece face to the other red piece, and then the green piece faces to the other green one.
Okay.
So now I pick up 4 of these dark red, quarters, triangle pieces. I mean not triangle, rather actually triangle pieces, but small. So then there you go. You just keep on putting them by joining the blades together. Nearly done, and it is done. The energy layer. Now let me put it over here.
Oh,
see, this is how it's gonna be. But actually, this chip combines with the chassis. So then now let's make the chassis. Then I first add in 4 of these 2x4 bricks, what are orange, and then it's actually 2 bricks. I add in because I've added the same piece but green on top of it. But 4 it doesn't break. Can you see this line here? What's basically the part? I just put the green pieces there for it can actually be not broken so easily. So then here's the chassis. And now I'll put the chip here and the energy layer.
oh, jeez.
And here, and now it's like this, but there's still a lot to go.
Oh,
I forgot actually these pieces on here.
oh, okay.
So then I add them near these. And then one, and then this other one going. Oh, yeah, then, so this is for, it's the tip, and then I'm just going to combine them back. And this thing. Oh. Break pretty easily. So this plate goes here, and then this goes like that. And then, this one. See? And now there you go.
So that's the energy layer and the chassis and the chip.
And now let me make the driver. The driver is gonna be tall, but actually it goes through here, so it's not gonna be so tall.
Okay.
So then I first get this, and then I add this on, and then this on, and then this on. And then I just add this part what allows it to spin, and also another one what is basically the chip what I told you in the start of the video. So add it here.
Okay.
You see, it's activated already. What just happened? It's already activated.
Okay.
Maybe it said I want to activate.
Yeah, that's fun.
And then I put these two here. These two. And then I add these one dot pieces. Just right with them. Two of them with them.
The attack blades are looking nice.
Yeah. And then I put this on here and this. See? And then I get two of these and two of these. And I add this one here, and then I just add this and this. Because I had some yellow there, that's why I added it. And then,
So it's nearly done.
yeah, I add one here, and I add one here, and I add one here.
So it's made.
Yep,
That's looking nice.
see, that's activation.
So let's see it. Oh, so like the chip goes up and then the driver goes into a lower position.
Oh, I forgot one piece.
Oh, okay.
These red pieces.
Okay.
I'm supposed to have it like this.
Those pieces are good color combinations.
Yeah. So then this is on the non-activation and this.
Oh, it's like the blade goes down,
Yeah.
but actually it's the driver that goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not like a nothing break, but instead it doesn't go too much low.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But I don't think will it go fast? Like if it goes down?
No, I think so. It just like goes down, but there's more chances of activating if like it has a base more taller than it and like crushes it like this.
Oh,
It
yeah.
might just activate.
Yeah, that would be fun.
Yeah. Now let's launch our Hyperion Flamebringer. 3, 2, 1, now. So then it's on. It has its chip on. Now let me launch it without the chip. 3, 2, 1, live.
So now it's more. Oh, it just like jumped out of the stadium.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's just go get it. So here's. So I think like that mode without the chip.
It just activated.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Okay.
it just activated.
Yeah, like it's more aggressive.
Yeah.
So that's kind of like the attack mode, and then this is more of the stamina mode.
Yeah. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.